or it's not going to work. So we have to have a right triangle. So as long as it is a right triangle, it can be in any direction. So you're going to have a box in the corner somewhere. Like I said, they're going to turn it, they're going to do something. It's not always going to be sitting straight up like this one. So, you know, first of all, we got to figure out our side. Most of you have already told me the form of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is correct. But, do we know what goes where? Because if we don't, then of course that's not really going to matter. And the only one that really matters is what? C. C. C is the only one that really matters. That's the one that matters. Because C is where? It is the one straight across from the box. I would say it's the diagonal, but depending on how they turn your triangle, it may not be a diagonal. So, the easiest thing is to say it's always across from the box. So, find your box, and if I draw an arrow, and you don't actually have to draw one, but you can say, okay, here's my box. Which one is straight across from the box? It's this one. That is always C. If you get C mixed up, then your whole entire problem is gone. C is the one that's across from the box. Now, what about A and B? Does it matter? No. No, because where are A and B? They're on the same side. So they're on the same side of the equal sign, so it's not really going to matter. So it wouldn't matter if I made A, one thing and B something else, whereas you turned it around and switched them. It's not really going to matter. Normally, A is going to be the small side and B is going to be the bigger side. So if I'm looking at this one, A is normally going to be the smaller one and B would be the bigger one. It's just in order. But it's really not going to matter. This could be A or B, and the same thing here. This could be A or B. It just depends. Does not matter because they are on the same side. Does anybody need to go real quick? Okay, go ahead. So it's really not going to matter which one is on the same side. So I'm going to pause here for just a second until Brandon